Welcome to Siddheshwari Sai Astro channel. Today we are going to discuss harnessing numerology and planetary insight for personal growth. If you are new on our channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. There is significant impact of numerology and planetary influences on our lives, emphasizing how different numbers and planets shape our personal and professional destinies. Each number from 1 to 9 is associated with planetary energy influencing various aspects of our life. Understanding the subtleties of numerology, insight into the character of number 1 to 9. Numerology offers a unique perspective into the traits associated with numbers, which is turn reflect on individuals' behavior, tendency and life patterns. Number 1, the leadership enigma. Sun, the king. Number 1, often associated with leadership quality. Individuals resonating with this number exhibit strong authoritative tendency, often like to be a king. They possess a dominant personality that tend to not settle without making their mark. However, the challenge for them lies in managing their anger or rage, as they often have strong opinion and a restlessness drive, which can lead to conflicts unless they learn to moderate their energy through wisdom and control. Number 2, the dual face of the moon. Number 2, linked symbolically to the moon, showcase duality in its characteristic. It embodies extreme either grounding and stability or spiritual and ascetic tendencies. People under this number can be deeply emotional and intuitive. The moon phases, bright and dark, illustrate the two extreme personalities of number 2 individuals. One being more grounded in material reality and another is being more inclined toward the spiritual realms. Number 3, the expensive influence of Jupiter. Jupiter's association with number 3 brings expansiveness, knowledge and wisdom to the forefront. This number holds the energy of growth, be it spiritual, intellectual or material. Number 3 is often seen as the fortunate number embodying the principle of increase and abundance. Those influenced by these numbers are seen as teachers and gatherers of knowledge, which they hold rather than explicit. Number 4, the complexities of Rahu. Number 4 is governed by Rahu, which brings with it a complex mix of material desires and mental intricacies. This number can lead individual to profound insight or deep confusions. The character of Rahu is enigmatic, capable of driving individual towards unorthodox or unconventional path. However, the challenge for those influenced by this number is navigate the illusion and disruption that Rahu can present. Now, number 5, the mercurial play associated with Mercury. Number 5 is characterized by dynamism, flexibility and adaptability. It is number of communication, intellect and quick wit. Individuals aligned with this number are often versatile but may struggle with consistency and depth, as their interest can be fleeting and frequently changing. Number 6, the Venus influence. Number 6 is governed by Venus, which is often associated by beauty, luxury and prosperity. This number brings a strong influence of aesthetics, making individuals under its influence attracted to beauty in all forms: art, music, decoration and social charms. People represented by this number tend to be bright spot in their families and social circle, often uplifting those around them through their presence and their actions. They are known for maintaining harmony and adding aesthetic quality to their surroundings. Number 7, the Ketu connection. Number 7 is linked with Ketu, which is in Vedic astrology is considered as a planet of shadow, the shadow planet representing spirituality and liberation. This number often signifies a deep connection with the spiritual realms, introspection and strong grounding in one's inner world. And number 8, governed by Saturn. Number 8 is ruled by Saturn, a planet associated with karma, justice, endurance and passage of time. This number brings about challenges but also teaches the value of persistence and discipline. It demands from individual a karmic understanding of life's natural cycle of trials and rewards. Saturn influences bring with it a serious reflective nature and the capacity to bear hardship and stoic resilience. Individuals under the influence of number 8 are often seen as the mature souls who carry the wisdom of past experiences. Number 9. Number 9, the Mars effect. Lastly, number 9 is associated with Mars, the planet of energy, action, desire. This number imparts a warrior-like quality, bestowing vigor, courage and assertiveness. It is linked with leadership and initiatives, often guiding people to take bold steps and face challenges head on. The Mars influence fosters a combative spirit and can lead to great achievement through its dynamic energy. However, it also requires careful management of aggressiveness tendency to avoid conflicts. Remedies and balancing the energy. Astrological and neurological remedies should be highly personalized rather than generic. Effective remedies consider an individual's unique numerological chart and current life circumstances. Tailoring these remedies to the specific energy and challenges associated with each number enhance positive attributes and mitigate the adverse effect. These remedies may include lifestyle adjustments, spiritual rituals, or wearing some specific colors that align and balance the individual's energy.